What is up, guys? Today I'm showing you my modded Ram 1500. Just got it back from the guys who were putting on the lift and the tires for me, but let's get into it. So we got a body armor bumper with cube lights, 30-inch light bar with the front. We have some grill lights here that I put on. I put the bumper, the lights, and the grill lights on. This is a 3.5-inch Ready Lift kit. Now, Ready Lift makes two different sorts of lift kits for these Ram 1500s. There's one that's, I'd say, $1,000 or so, that just has spacers. This kit is the 2.1 version, and that comes with, it's a little darker, let me put my flashlight on. That comes with its own front struts, and then in the rear we got Falcon shocks that are adjustable. Right now I got it set to the lowest setting, but if you're going with the 3.5-inch Ready Lift kit, it's well worth the money to get the better lift. I mean, driving this home today, even the guys who did it for me, they said this truck drives like it's stock. There's plenty of give and play for when you're hitting bumps and all that. It's a solid lift kit. Moving on here, we got some 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires with fuel off-road rims. What I like about these rims is these are the milled version, so all of the inner spokes have that milled look. Makes it look real nice. I mean, these things are solid. They're the real deal. Then to finish it off, we just got some nice textured fender flares. I got flat ones one time, and don't ever get flat fender flares. You'll be kicking yourself in the you-know-what after they get scratched and stuff. Get textured ones like this. They don't show marks or scratches or none of that. But yeah, we'll do a little walk around. Not crazy pokage on the tires either. Got my old tires here with my rod rack. But solid truck. Go ahead and start her up and turn on my lights too. This is an aux beam 6-gang switch box. You got light bar, cube lights, and my grill lights. I'm probably making a video on how I mounted this, but it's nice and flush on the dash here. Come over. I mean, this thing's bright as hell, man. This thing is just a tank. With this lift and everything, this thing's just a tank, man. Solid. Part numbers and links to everything that I have on this truck, the mods I did myself here in the front, as well as the tires, lift kit, all that. I'll put them down in the description for you guys, but thing just sits like a tank. I love it. Awesome. All right, guys. It's been real. Peace.